Do you recognize Cabot Cove? It's the deceptively peaceful little town Angela Lansbury calls home in Murder, She Wrote, one of television's all-time favorite mystery series.
Hey, you, Mr. Fisherman, you shouldn't be fishing in those waters there. There's been shark attacks there. Yeah, hey, you better get going. Whoa, hey, you, hey, whoa. I think he's in trouble now, folks, don't look at this. Oh my gosh, that's it. Well, he has got. There they are.
This tranquil town has yet another famous resident, the menacing great white shark from Jaws, saying hello as only he knows how.